Hey guys, Rio here with email processing system. So what I wanted to get into this video is something that I hear quite often from people that are, kind of wanting to join email processing system, that are kind of new to making money online. So it's pretty much how much money can I make with EPS and how fast will I make it? Which is, of course, a fair question. The thing about these questions are, there's no way to know. There's no way to know. You can't guarantee anyone any money. If you don't do anything, you won't make any money. So there's really no way to let anyone know how much money they can make. You can estimate, well, if you make one sale a day, which I'm gonna kind of give you guys an example and show you guys some possibilities, but I want to get, kind of my point across first before I get into that. And I'm going to show you guys some proof of some sales that our team is making as well. So, make sure you stick around for that. Yeah, like I was saying, there's really no way to know how much money you're going to make because I don't know how much work you're going to put into it. There's no way to know. Some people make, their sale like in their first few hours of joining EPS. Some people in the first 24 hours. Some people in the first 2 days. Some people in the first week. Some people, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. It's different for everyone. Some people have a lot of time, a lot of extra time that they could dedicate to it. Some people don't have a whole lot of time, so they work slowly. Other people just jump right into it, and they can work all day, and so they see faster results, as well as actually implementing and taking action on the training. And even if you have all the time in the world, but you're not putting in the work that needs to be done on a daily basis, then it's still not going to work for you. So you have to put in the work if you want to see the results. But there's no way to know exactly how much money you're going to make if nobody knows how much work you're going to put into it. So there's really no way to tell. The results vary. Like I mentioned, they're different for everyone. Some people make their first sale right away. Some people it takes longer than that. So it's just kind of there's no way to know. That's the thing. There's no way to know. And obviously that's a good question. That's obviously when you're new to making money online, you kind of want to know, but you're gonna quickly learn that there's no way of actually knowing that. The money is a result of you learning the skills and putting in the hard work and the dedication. That is what the money is a product of you. The money is a product of you, how hard you work, how you build your brand, stuff like that, how you help out people, how you help out your team. That's what is gonna point to how much money you're gonna make. But there's no way to really know exactly how much money you're gonna make. You're not working like a daily job here. You're not making like $10 an hour. There's no guarantee of how much money you're gonna make. If you're looking for that, then you should probably go look for a job. But you're gonna be very limited at a job, unfortunately, which is why I have a job, and luckily enough, my job I only work a few hours a week, and I get kind of a higher pay, so I have spare time to do what I want to do, which is I'm doing online marketing, and I spend time with my family and my girlfriend. I get to do all these things because I don't have to be at work so much. Other people have to. I had a job before this where I was working like anywhere from 40 hours to like, oh man, I don't know, like 60 hours a week. It was crazy. I was busy. I couldn't do online marketing. I couldn't really hang out with my girlfriend, with my family. So I did not enjoy it at all. I'm much more happy at the job that I am now, but even still, I don't want to have a job. I want to go, online full time and just live off of online marketing, one day. So that's what I want to do. Those are my goals, and I assume that everyone else who is doing online marketing also wants to do that. And if you just want to make some extra income, and you really love your job, then hey, that's good for you. That's awesome. But I know that a lot of people are looking for financial freedom, and the thing about that is, you of course you want money, and money is necessary, but at least from my point of view, what I want is just time freedom. I don't want to be at a job all day and not be able to do the things that I want to do. So that's why I'm happy with the job I have right now. I work very little each week, but I still have money in my pocket and I get to do the things I want. So I'm really happy where I am right now, and really happy promoting EPS as well, because I really feel like this opportunity is so great, and there's such good training, and you get taught everything there is, everything you need to be successful online with this program or any other program. But anyways, guys, I'm sorry. I'm going off another. I always do that. Sorry. Start talking about other stuff. But yeah, guys. So there's no way, getting back to the point, there's no way that you will know how much money you will make, that I can tell, or that I can tell you how much money you're gonna make. It really all has to do with the work you're willing to put in, the dedication. It really is all about that. And as far as how much money can I make, like the actual number, like I mentioned, there's no way to know, but I wanted to give you guys a few examples. And these examples are going to pretty much just go over, like, what if you made one sale a day on each level. And I'm going to go over that. And of course, there are many members that are making way more than one sale a day, much more. So these are kind of results that are going to be kind of safe. They're not really exaggerated results. It's not like, oh, well, if you make 1,000 sales, you're gonna make $100,000. It's not exaggerated. These are results that a lot of our members are even making way more money than this. So let me just go ahead and just show you guys. I just kind of want to show you something from a beginner's perspective, some results that are actually possible. No ridiculous exaggerated stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead, and this is why I wrote this down. 25 level, the 50 level, and the $100 level. So these are just what you would make if you make one sale a day on each level. So let's go ahead and calculate that. So $25, that's the $25 level, times 30 days, that's one sale a day. You would make $750. Okay, so that would be $750 extra a month. Let's go ahead for the $50 level. 50 times 30 days a week, one sale a day. That's $1,500. $1,500. Oops. Don't know why I jumped over there. Okay, $1,500. Okay. Let's go ahead and go for the $100 level. I mean, I can do this in my mind, but let's just go ahead. So that would be $3,000. $3,000 a month. So that is only with one sale a day. Now these would be awesome results. In reality, a lot of people are making way more than this. Some people are making more than $3,000 in a single week. So it is pretty crazy. So I'm going to show you guys what would happen if you make 2 sales a day, and then we'll stop there. But just so you guys can understand, like, the power of these daily payments, how much they can add up. So this is going to be 2 sales a day. So disregard the one. It's going to be 2 sales a day. So let's go back and do it. So this would be 25 times 2 is 50. So 50 times 30, one day. Okay, $1,500. So obviously, like the $50 level. So this is where it's going to, well, not yet. At the $100 level is where it gets interesting. So 50, this is 100 times 30. That would be 3,000 as well. So $3,000 if you make 2 sales a day on the $50 level. So let's go ahead, and this is where it gets really good. 200 times 30. That would be 6,000. So $6,000. So even still, a lot of people are making much more than this, but I just wanted to show you guys the power of these daily payments. If you build your brand and you work hard at it, people follow you, they want to be a part of your business, they see that you're, kind of showing them exactly what to do, that you're doing it as well. There is just huge potential. A lot of people, like I mentioned, are making way more than just 2 sales a day. They're making a lot more. And, keep in mind, everyone's on their own journey. Everyone is on their own journey. So don't worry about other people's results. Just focus on your own. Build your own brand. Focus on that. And don't worry about anything else. Everyone is on their own journey. Everyone is different, so you got to focus on yourself and your results and providing value to everyone out there. That's the best way to build your brand. Okay guys, so this is what I wanted to show you guys from here. Wanted to go ahead and show you guys some proof as well. So let's go into our team over here, into our proof group where we post our proof for our team. Let's go ahead into the photos. Let's go right here, first proof. Melissa Serrano, waking up to these notifications every morning starts my days off good. I love EPS. So $25 payment right there. Now these are everyday people. These aren't like huge marketers that are making millions. These are people that are, you know, learning, making money. Jamie Jan Nielsen, more money made before breakfast. EPS is going to be big for 2018. I agree. $200. So that's two $100 sales. Like I mentioned, a lot of people making more sales than just one a day. And it says, hey everyone, stop sitting on this opportunity and join ASAP. I love these PayPal payments while I'm doing live. So $100 payment, awesome. Let's go over here. A little bit of proof once again. Per yes action equals yes result. No action, no result. That's absolutely correct. Yeah. Pervis Ali, $100 payment. This was February 4th, so a few days ago. I forgot to point out the dates. This was 3 hours ago, so these aren't like some old proof pictures. These are these are from 3 hours ago. This is 3 hours ago as well. This is yesterday. So these are all current proof. This isn't like proof from like months or years ago. These are sales that are happening now, today, hours ago, every single day. So guys, if you guys want to get involved in this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have plenty of videos on email processing system. You will get, you know, just a full training by a six-figure earner who's been making six figures in the last 3 years with EPS. So just amazing training, a blueprint that she used to become a six-figure earner. So you're going to be learning the same strategies that she used, you know, to grow your own brand and build your own business. So that's awesome. That's our 5K a month blueprint. Yeah, so if you guys want to learn more, like I mentioned, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got plenty more videos, and actually a little screen is going to pop up in a bit towards the end of my video that has a playlist with, oh, excuse me guys, a playlist with all of my email processing system videos. Make sure you subscribe. My head will pop up somewhere if you haven't subscribed already. I will leave a link to my Facebook page down here. Link to my email if you guys want to contact me through there. You guys prefer that. And that is pretty much it, guys. As always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.